Hi, this is my hard work. Don't skip any part. Like and subscribe to my channel. Quickly, without wasting time, open Faceapp, click Gallery here, and choose the image to be modified. I will change the color of my hair. From the bottom, scroll right to find hair colors. Then click on it. Here are the wonderful hair colors, including a paid subscription. I'll try black hair here. You can make some adjustments from the slider. If satisfied, just click Apply here, and the image is automatically saved to the gallery. Great! Now we are going to TikTok. Open it, then search for blonde hair filters. Choose the first one. Now click here on CapCut. Try this template. Then click on Use Template in CapCut. CapCut is opened. Click Use Template. Click to see all here. Choose the two pictures in order. Then click on Preview. Great! Finally, click on Export Up here. Then click on Save and Share to TikTok. That's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.